Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I tried a new technique actually with this cake. This was a red velvet cake with cream cheese buttercream. So you can see me putting that buttercream on the outside of the cake. The technique that I was trying to do was actually this torching technique. So I used a kitchen torch to basically see how it would burn the buttercream and what it would look like. But in order to get this effect, it's best to use marshmallow buttercream actually. I'm not too sure how to make that, but I think that would look way better and it would get the desired effect that I was trying to aim for. But anyways, I'm just trying to get like a very abstract, a very like rough edge, jagged kind of design on the outside just because of the purpose that I'm trying to fulfill over here. So I smoothed it out, sorry. I smoothed it out a little bit, and then I just felt like I needed to fill in some of the gaps in the middle. So I applied some more buttercream, filled in those gaps, and then just roughly using my spatula, just kind of went over it all over the place and kept it patchy. So we're trying to aim for that patchy effect. Okay, so get that blowtorch out. And I'm just gonna go all over it and see. This was my first time ever using the blowtorch. So hence why I'm using both hands. Wasn't too sure what I was doing, to be honest, but I like I like how it started melting some of the buttercream in some parts and then holding it in some parts for longer. It started to burn some of the buttercream as well, or give it that sort of um, burnt effect. And then I tried doing that because my top is also not smoothed out. I tried to torch some of the top as well just to see if I could get that same sort of consistent look as I have on the sides. So just continuing on with torching the sides. This was so much fun, and like the entire place just started to smell like buttercream. So it smelled like heaven up in there. So I'm just gonna continue adding that effect. So the because it's buttercream, obviously, it started to melt. And but had I used like a marshmallow based buttercream, I feel like this would have definitely turned out a lot better. But in the case that you don't make a marshmallow buttercream, I think it still looks great. So I just continued doing that for a little bit longer and especially focusing on those rough edges, like where you could really see what was going on, and doing the top as well. And there you have it. I was happy with the way it turned out. So I took some of these I needed to add some greenery to this cake. So basically just grabbed some of that and added that in. I had marshmallows, so I just place those within on the inside of this wreath that I was creating. My brother walked, opened the fridge, did not close it, forgot about it, and then saw it and just slammed it shut. Anyway, so then I took some Maltesers and added those next to my marshmallows just because they're pretty and they taste so freaking amazing. Added some more greens over there and some marshmallows to the side of my cake. Some more Maltesers right there. Oh, yeah, I had to put some buttercream on in order for them to stick to my cake. There you go. Put some more Maltesers on, and then here comes the fun part. Bring out that kitchen torch, and then just torch those marshmallows away. You see that smoke rising? That was so freaking cool. I didn't see the smoke in real life, but I saw it in video, and I was like, whoa. So yeah, just torch them a bit more from different angles and see what needs to be done. I was happy with how this turned out, so I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.